for this video, I will discuss on solving right triangle using trigonometric ratios. So we have problem number 1 here. So this is the figure. C is equal to 25. Then B here. A here is equal to 18. Then this is angle C, angle A, and angle B. So for the problem, you're going to find the measure of angle A. This angle here. Measure of angle B. This angle here, and B, the length of segment AC. So for our solution, let's have the given. So the given is the hypotenuse C equals 25 and A equals 18. Now if we're going to use angle B as our reference angle, this segment here A is the adjacent side. So if we're going to use the trigonometric ratios, we can use the cosine. So cosine of B. So this is equal to adjacent A over hypotenuse. Okay, then substituting A is equal to 18 and H is equal to 25. So 18 over 25, 18 divided by 25 is equal to 0.72. So we're going to find cosine of B, which is equal to 0.72. So in our scientific calculator, so we're going to select degree here, then shift, then click cosine. Okay, then click the value which is 0.72. So you have there 43.95. Okay, so this is now the measure of angle B. 43.945 or 95. Then to find the measure of angle A, so since the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180, so this is 90, so 180 minus 90 is 90. So these two angles here add up to 90 degrees. Therefore, finding the measure of angle A, will just subtract 90 minus 43.95. Then 90 minus 43.95 is equal to 46.05. So the measure of angle A is 46.05. Now to find B, we'll just use the Pythagorean theorem. C squared equals A squared plus B squared. C here is 25 squared equals 18 squared plus B squared. So 25 squared is 625 equals 18 squared is 324 plus B squared. Then B squared here is equal to 625 minus 324. So 625 minus 324 is equal to 301. So B squared here is equal to 301. Then extract the square roots. B is equal to square root of 301 is 17.35. So we have the measure of angle A, which is 46.05 here. The measure of angle B, 43.95. And B is equal to 17.35. So let's have problem number 2 here. So problem number 2, this is angle C, this is angle A, angle B, which is 55 degrees. C, the hypotenuse is 30. and these are the legs A and B. So you're going to find here the measure of angle A, and B. So for our solution, let's find first the measure of angle A. So this 2 here is equal to 90. So measure of angle A is equal to 90 minus 55. So measure of angle A is equal to 35 degrees. Then to find the measure of A, or the length of A, we're going to use the hypotenuse, and this is the adjacent, so we're going to use cosine. So cosine of B is equal to adjacent, which is A, over hypotenuse, which is C. Then substituting, B here is 55, so we're going to have cosine of 55 equals A over C, which is 30. In cross multiply, we're going to have here A is equal to the cosine of 55. We're going to use calculator here. Cosine of 55 is equal to 0.573 or 0.57. So this is 0.57. This is cosine of 55 times 30. Then multiplying 0.57 times 30, that is equal to 17.1. So A here is equal to 17.1. Now to find B, we'll just use the Pythagorean theorem. C squared equals A squared plus B squared. So C is 30, so 30 squared equals A, 17.1 squared plus B squared. So 30 squared is 900. Then 17.1 squared is 292.41, then plus B squared equals, so we're going to subtract 900 minus 292.41. So this is equivalent to 607.59 equals B squared. Then extract the square roots. So square root of 607.59, that will be equal to 24.65. This is now the length of B. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you next time.